Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about how to stay motivated on your health journey. Whether you are trying to lose weight, gain muscle, eat better, or just feel more energetic, staying motivated can be a challenge. But don't worry, I have some tips and tricks that will help you keep going and achieve your goals. Tip 1. Set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This means that you should have a clear idea of what you want to accomplish, how you will measure your progress, how realistic your goal is, how it relates to your overall health, and when you want to achieve it. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," you could say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by eating 500 calories less per day and exercising 4 times a week." Tip 2. Track your progress. Tracking your progress can help you see how far you have come and how close you are to your goal. You can use a journal, an app, a spreadsheet, or whatever works for you. You can track things like your weight, your body fat percentage, your measurements, your calories, your workouts, your mood, and your energy levels. Tracking your progress can also help you identify what works and what doesn't, and make adjustments accordingly. Tip 3. Celebrate your wins. Celebrating your wins can help you boost your confidence, your self-esteem, and your motivation. You should celebrate every time you reach a milestone, a mini goal, or a personal record. You can celebrate by rewarding yourself with something that makes you happy, such as a new outfit, a movie night, a massage, or a cheat meal. Just make sure that your reward is not counterproductive to your goal, and that you don't overdo it. Tip 4. Find your support system. Finding your support system can help you stay accountable, inspired, and encouraged. Your support system can be anyone who supports your health journey, such as your family, your friends, your coach, your trainer, your online community, or your role models. You can share your goals, your struggles, your achievements, and your tips with them, and ask for their feedback, advice, and encouragement. You can also join challenges, groups, or events that are related to your health journey and meet new people who share your interests and goals. Tip 5. Have fun. Having fun can help you enjoy your health journey and make it more sustainable and enjoyable. You should have fun with your food, your workouts, your hobbies, and your life. You should experiment with new recipes, new exercises, new activities, and new experiences. You should also find ways to make your health journey fun, such as listening to music, watching videos, playing games, or doing challenges. Having fun can help you reduce stress, improve your mood, and increase your motivation. Those are my 5 tips on how to stay motivated on your health journey. I hope you found them helpful and useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Also, let me know in the comments below what are your goals, your progress, your challenges, and your tips on staying motivated. I would love to hear from you and support you on your health journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.